Noah's National.
Here we go! 262, really? This is good.
The following is a routine weekly test.
Bro, my failure.
This is a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device.
I got a failure. Nah.
During potentially dangerous weather situations and civil emergencies, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending danger.
Nah, that's a failure.
11 a.m. and noon. Whether the routine weekly, in the event of the test being canceled, it will then be rescheduled for the next day between 11 a.m. and noon. This is NOAA radio station WMG 629, operating 24 hours a day on the frequency of 162.45 megahertz, with transmitting facilities in Van Buren County.
Why?
This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service
This
Office
would definitely go off for the weekly test.
This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan Nashville Office of Emergency Management.
Check
Repeating, this has been a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm
thing
device.
failed.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped
Why
receivers
did you
are
fail?
automatically activated to warn of impending danger. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings, or civil emergencies, affecting Bledsoe, Cumberland, DeKalb, Grundy, Putnam, Van Buren, Warren, and White counties. This concludes the test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming.
Why?
In Nashville at 11 a.m.
Larry failed this test. Why did you just fail it? You're supposed to activate. You made me mad, 262.
It was 48 degrees. And the relative humidity was 30%. Winds were south at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.4.